Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to another episode in our UpKeep video series where we provide tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Today we're diving into the world of modern fleet management and maintenance software. One of the greatest challenges in fleet management is ensuring each vehicle is in top condition without blowing your maintenance budget. With UpKeep's fleet maintenance software, you can schedule recurring maintenance tasks, monitor sensor data, and keep track of each vehicle's condition over time. You know that keeping your vehicles operational is essential, especially if they're crucial to your business operations. But we all know that budgets aren't unlimited. You need a quick, easy way to keep your vehicles running while also streamlining the costs. That's where UpKeep comes in. Here's how UpKeep helps you reduce fleet maintenance costs while improving reliability. Firstly, UpKeep helps you prepare for every season. You can schedule repeating work orders for recurring preventive maintenance tasks. These could include vehicle inspections, oil changes, and other regular maintenance tasks to keep your fleet running all year round. Secondly, UpKeep helps you manage your inventory. Maintaining a consistent stock of replacement parts is key to effective fleet management. With our software, you can keep a close eye on important parts tied to each vehicle. If a part is about to run out, our software makes it easy to send out a purchase order and replenish your stock. Lastly, UpKeep helps you keep a record of your fleet maintenance. Every work order is logged in your database, allowing you to pull up custom reports and monitor trends in your vehicle's maintenance needs. This way, you can find areas of improvement and prevent problems before they occur. Preventative maintenance is the best way to handle vehicle breakdowns. With UpKeep, you can schedule routine preventive maintenance tasks and track meter readings or real-time sensor data. This data can then be used to schedule needed preventive maintenance tasks when preset mileage counts or thresholds are reached. UpKeep also offers over 200 custom dashboards, each one designed to support a different work style. This ensures your system is tailored to match your workflow and support maintenance tasks. If you need an option that isn't on the list, our team is ready to create one for you. By using a fleet maintenance management system to keep fleet vehicles in top operating condition, you can increase efficiency and support reliability. Your vehicles will break down less often, consume less fuel, and last longer. This increases the efficiency and timeliness of each route, makes scheduling easier to manage, and drives down fleet management costs. UpKeep can be integrated with fleet management software to keep a close eye on the location of each vehicle. Whether they need repairs or scheduled preventative maintenance, it's easy to create and assign work orders based on vehicle location. This ensures work orders are always completed on time. Each vehicle receives the maintenance it needs when it needs it, and the reliability of your fleet as a whole improves. UpKeep is a mobile-first CMMS, which means you can access and assign work orders, view fleet vehicle histories and reports, and track maintenance workflows from any mobile device with the app. Technicians can view vehicle data and location straight from a smartphone or tablet, making maintenance tasks much easier to complete. Automated push notifications and alerts help your team stay on top of high-priority maintenance tasks and get work done quicker. Companies have found great value in UpKeep's fleet management software. We've helped various businesses cut down the costs and complexity of their maintenance management processes, including those who have to manage large fleets of vehicles across multiple locations. Take it from Kyle Dunbar, fleet maintenance manager at Certarus, who said, "Across the company, we're saving 50 to 60 hours a week. Repairs are happening faster and inspections are not being missed. Our audits are much more efficient now with UpKeep, less of an administrative burden." Having a central source of truth that documents the history and location of how much equipment has been maintained has been beneficial. Or Dale S., a maintenance manager who shared, "We have over 14 commercial vehicles and 25 units of heavy equipment that we primarily maintain and service in-house. Before UpKeep, we were on a paper system that was messy and unorganized. Now our crews are able to utilize UpKeep's request feature to submit work order requests." So, if you're looking for a way to streamline your fleet management and maintenance processes, consider UpKeep. It's a game changer for maintenance teams and operations teams. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching today's video where we explored the challenges of modern fleet management and how UpKeep can help streamline the process while reducing costs and improving reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about our fleet maintenance software, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep optimizing.